Hello YouTubers, this is Dan Frias, and today I want to kind of show you around the Mac operating system OS 10 Snow Leopard. That's what I have on my MacBook presently. Basically, I just want to acclimate those who are familiar with the Mac and perhaps those who are not, how to navigate on a Mac platform with the OS 10. First of all, I want to direct your attention to the Apple up in the upper left-hand corner of your screen here. This is a function you're going to use a lot of times where you want to update your software, or if there's any information you want to get on your Mac, you could basically click on About This Mac and it will bring up this window here. I'm showing you this while it's checking for new software updates right now. Additionally, you can see the version of the Mac OS 10, 10.6.8. It shows you the processor, Intel Core Duo, memory, 2 gigabytes, 667 megahertz DDR2 SD-RAM. And if you need more information, I'm going to cancel this here. Let it go. If you need more information about your Mac, then you will click on the More Info tab, and that will bring this window up, and you can get additional information on the hardware on your particular Mac. This is just one way to navigate throughout the system. Additionally, I want to point your attention to the tab that says Go. If you click on that, this is how you navigate to computer, your home folder, desktop, network, iDisk, applications, documents, and utilities. One thing you're going to use most often would be the home folder or your root folder. This is where a lot of your data is stored in, like your desktop documents, download. I have Dropbox installed on here, as well as your movies, music, pictures, and a public folder if you're sharing on a network. I see I have a few updates to install. I'm going to click on Show Details, and it will kind of tell me what I need to install, and it's HP Printer Software Update. I'm going to install that because I want to keep my network printer working properly whenever I need it. So that's going to install or update some software there. I want to direct your attention to the docking station here at the bottom. I've pre-configured my docking station to disappear when I remove the cursor from down at the bottom of the screen. Once I scroll back down, it pops up, and then these are shortcuts to certain apps that I use most frequently. And you can configure this to have whatever apps that you are accustomed to using on a daily basis. This will be a shortcut. Another way you can start an app is if you go up here to Spotlight and tap in and type in, let's say iTunes. If I start to type iTunes, it's going to show me everything that begins with ITU, and the top one is iTunes. So if you didn't have it on your dock and it was in your applications folder, whatever software you have, you can go here to Spotlight, type it in, and it will show up, and then you just click on it to start that particular app. I won't start it here. And let me see what is helpful here. If you need to configure your networking or other areas of your Mac, system preferences is definitely going to be an area where you have to navigate. As you can see, the system preferences is a window pane comes up for all of these different uses that you may have for your Mac desktop or your laptop. And I'm not going to go through those. You probably can see it, and I'm going to see if I can scroll in on this, highlight it, and scroll it back down. So basically, this was just a quick tutorial overview on the Mac OS 10. I'm running Snow Leopard again, 10.6.8, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.